Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you.
Hi, if you're a young content creator starting up to make content either for YouTube or other platforms, there's some basic equipment that you will need to make your work flawless. Today, I'm going to introduce to you the video making kit. Let me show you how it is from the outside. I'm hoping that my camera is focusing well. This is how the kit looks like from the outside. Let me turn the other side. This is the other side of the video making kit. Now, let's go straight to check what is inside this video making kit. Let's proceed. Wow. This is how it looks. Okay. This is how it looks. This is how the kit looks. Okay. This is what is inside this box. We have this tripod. This is how it looks. The tripod. We have the LED flash. Next, we have the microphone. This is how the microphone looks like. We're almost done. This is a universal phone holder, meaning it can hold any type of smartphone and it can also hold your camera. We have this wireless Bluetooth remote control. It's here. See how it looks. Finally, we have this cable, audio cable, as you can see. And that is all that is inside our kit. Guys, let's go straight to setting this up. First, we are going to start with the tripod because that forms the base for our kit. From this, you can be able to see that there is something at the corner that you'll use to adjust it so that you can be able to have a place where you are going to mount the other parts of the video making kit. Next, we are going to fix the phone or camera holder. You see down there, there's a knob that will tighten it so that your equipment will be firm. Keep testing to see whether it's well tightened. The LED flash is the next component to go up the kit. The important thing that I've noticed on this kit is that it does a knob at every joint that you're fixing two items together. This makes the kit very firm. Our microphone is up on the stage. We are going to put it in and tighten the knob as well. It's a very big microphone and I'm very positive that it's going to record good quality sounds. The microphone is well set up. Now I'm checking to see if everything is in order. The final thing that I'm going to fix is this audio cable that I'm going to fix on the microphone and on the phone. I've turned the kit so that you can be able to see where we will insert the audio cable. That's it. Now we are going to insert the phone on the phone holder and we will fix the audio cable as well. This will enable you to transmit the voice from the phone or from the microphone and to the phone. Our setup is complete. That is how our kit looks like after it has been set up. Let me put on the light on the LED flashlight. You see, it's very bright. Even if you're shooting on a dark room, your face will be shown nicely. I will not forget to mention that this LED flashlight can be able to store some energy. You can charge it beforehand, and when you're shooting, you will not be dependent on electricity. This is very good. Last and not least, we have the Bluetooth device that you will be using to operate your device. It's wireless, meaning you can operate it with your device even at a distance. Very good addition as well. The tripod can be able to hold it like that, or you can hold it like this.
Saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me?
Thank you for joining me today when setting up this video making kit. If you buy yours next time, I'm sure I'll have made the setup process. If you've not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button down below and join me in growing my YouTube channel. Please also don't forget to like, comment, and even share my content. See you. Bye.
Is your head spinning too?